Hey, amazing mathematicians, let's dive into this question. Angie has $40 in a savings account. The interest rate is 9% per year and is not compounded. What is her total account balance after 2 years? So clearly you guys will be doing this on a screen. You'll have a separate piece of paper in front of you, so it's not like the problem will be on the paper like it is for me, but I am still going to cube this and pull out all of my information. She has $40 in the savings account. The interest rate is 9% per year and is not compounded. We don't know what compounded means yet, but honestly, we don't need to know because it's not compounded. My question is, what is her total account balance after 2 years? I see this word 2 that is spelled out instead of a number 2. And I know that I'm looking for her total account balance. Vital. So, pulling all that out, I know that is 9% per year, which means I am multiplying 9%, which is 0.09 as a decimal, times, because per means to multiply, and it's after 2 years. However, let's go back to our formula of interest. I equals PRT. So interest equals principal times rate times time. And now I'm going to label all those things. I don't know her interest. I'm going to figure that out. So I'll keep that as an I. I do know the principal amount is 40. I do know her rate is 9%, which is 0.09. And I know the amount of time is 2 years. So now I'm going to plug that into my equation. Let me use a different color. So I still have I equals 40 times rate times time. Now I'm going to do some mental math here, and I'm going to quickly multiply 40 and 2 because I know what that equals in my head. And the commutative property of multiplication tells me that I can multiply in any order I want to. So 40 times 2 is 80 times 0.09. Now, me as a teacher, I do know what that is mentally, but let's work it out. So let's do 80 times 0.09. We do not need to align our decimals. 0 times 9 is 0. 8 times 9 is 72. Let's put a 0 as a placeholder because now I am multiplying into my second column. 0 times 0 is 0. 8 times 0 is 0. Add it up. I have 720. I have 2 numbers to the right of my decimal, so I'm going to go in twice. So 9% of $40 after 2 years equals $7.20. But I'm not asking about the interest. I'm sorry, the question is not asking about the interest. The question is asking about her total account balance, which means I will then need to add principal plus interest equals total account balance. Now, I can also do this mentally because I know $40 plus $7.20 equals $47.20. However, for some of us who don't have our decimal rules fully solidified, let's work it out. So I'm adding 40 plus $7.20. Please notice how I aligned my decimals. And now I'm just going to add straight on down. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Pull down my decimal. 0 plus 7 is 7. And 4 plus nothing is 4. So after 2 years, her total account balance in her savings account will be $47.20.